गुनु सुलु
भनेर भन्छ गणपति काले दाइ नपसी गीता फेर बना सकते दाइ भन्छ
wild campfire here. The campfire army are doing their best. They are cutting some twigs of the trees here. Mr. Somyog Wagle is there in the torch man. He is the light man for this program, this project. And Mr. Suprakash Wagle. Oh, big branches come to near me. It's nearly fell down over me. Oh, what a terrific. Nice one. Oh. It's like a man versus wild here.